Hi there, it's Adrian here from bollard.com. Just going to show you what we're doing today. Installing one of these, which is a driveway security bollard, into a concrete driveway, and I'll keep you posted on how we're getting on. Okay, so we've been digging for over an hour, and we're within about 4 inches of the bottom, almost 4 or 5 inches to go. Should we get this fella in? So back to the grindstone. So here and here back again. That's it. Out of puff slightly, but after a lot of hard digging, we've got, and you can see it, we're down about 4 inches below the level of the bollard, filled in with some gravel at the bottom for a bit of soakage, so that rain doesn't start to fill up the pit that the bollard slides up and down in. It keeps it nice and clear. So that's it, we're ready to backfill it. Okay, so we're now all done. It's taken about 2.5 hours, a little over 2.5 hours to install the bollard. And quick show you. Yeah, there we go. So that's it installed, just to show you. There you have it. If you're interested in getting a driveway security bollard to protect your car and your driveway, get in contact. Just click the link at the bottom of the screen to get in touch. Thank you.